Good morning, everyone. My name is EGD Olivo, and today I will create a TED Style Talk. A TED Style Talk is a short, inspirational, and thought provoking presentation that shares personal experiences and ideas to educate, challenge, and motivate the audience. TED Style Talk, titled Bridging Cultures Through Communication. Bridging cultures through communications enables us to break down stereotypes, build trust, and foster collaboration. Effective communications helps to promote cross-cultural understanding, empathy, and cooperation, leading to a more harmonious global community. By bridging the cultural divide, we can drive business growth, innovation, and social progress while celebrating our diversity and individuality. Imagine this: you're in a business meeting with colleagues from different parts of the world. You say something you believe is polite, but suddenly the room goes silent. You've unknowingly offended someone. What went wrong? Communication isn't just about words, it's about culture, context, and perception. And in today's interconnected world, understanding how to communicate effectively in multicultural setting is more important than ever. The challenge of multicultural communication. We all have cultural filters, deeply ingrained ways of thinking and expressing ourselves. What's considered respectful in one culture might be rude in one another. For example, in Japan, silence in a conversation can be a sign of deep respect, while in the US, silence might feel uncomfortable or even awkward. A direct no can lead to confusion. These differences can create misunderstanding, but they don't have to. The solution: the three C's of multicultural communication. To communicate effectively across cultures, we need curiosity, context, and clarity. Curiosity: be open to learning instead of assuming as. Can you help me understood how this is usually done in your culture? This simple question can prevent major misunderstandings. 2. Context. Words don't exist in isolation. They carry cultural meanings. In some cultures, business is built on relationships, so a quick handshake isn't enough. In others, efficiency is key, and small talk might feel unnecessary to understand the context. Clarity. When communicating across cultures, keep it simple, avoid jargon, idioms, and humor that might not translate well. Instead of saying, let's hit the ground running, say, let's start immediately. Communication isn't just speaking, it's about listening, observing, and adapting. If we approach every interaction with curiosity, understand the context, and strive for clarity, we won't just communicate, well connect. And in a world as diverse as ours, connection is everything. So the next time you find yourself in a multicultural settings, remember, the way we communicate can build bridges or barriers. Then I will ask you, which one will you choose?